All right, Calculus, welcome to your Calc Chapter 1, Quiz number 2 review video. Quiz is this Tuesday, September 25th. Folks, for your video here, we have in-house sponsors of Kaldi Coffee, St. Louis's finest coffee, Caribou Coffee, a nationally renowned brand there, and Maui's fourth best coffee, yes, number 4, tasty. Anyway, folks, here are some answers. All right, so remember, you are to practice this weekend, and then check your answers. And if you have any questions, ask me on Monday. So they're the answers for A and C. Again, no negative exponents. That's right. Write it like that, guys. 1/3 please write the answer. Now B, you can't. Yeah, 2 to the 19th, too big. Probably gonna say overflow air on your calculator, so don't worry about that. I do want the answer though for D. First off, I just took the 4th root of 81, which is 3. Then I took 3 and raised it to the 5th power. Same thing here. Take the 4th root of 16. That's 2. Then do 2 to the 5th power. All right. There's F. Make sure to square 3. Some of us are forgetting to do that. So it's just 1 in the numerator. All right. I would know how to do all of these. These are all fair game. Make sure to do 3 to the 4th on G. H, make sure to do 2 to the 3rd. Power to power, you multiply. That's why we get x to the 3rd. That one's not too bad. All right, here is I. I think I made a little boo-boo there before. So you have the square root, and so basically this is going to be a to the 1/2, and this is going to be b to the 1/6. You multiply those two roots. Okay, down below, then it's a to the 1/4, b to the 1/4, and you just subtract the exponents. All right, there's more b's down below, there's more a's up above. J, we've seen this one a lot. Add the exponents up top, then you're going to subtract. Make sure you're subtracting both n and 5. I've seen some mistakes there. Side J, K. All right, that one's honestly not too bad at all. And then L. L is very much like I. Okay, so let's get that there. Again, so that's going to be x to the 2/3. Then you're going to multiply 3 times. Oh, I'm sorry, that is x squared. And then that's, so again, the 2 is not out for the root. The 2 is for x squared. So that is the square root. In red, I put a 2 there because 3 times 2, that means it's y to the 1/6. There are more x's up above, and there's more y's in the exponents. That is down below. Okay, you're just subtracting. Definitely know how to do those types of questions. Obviously, not as many will be on your quiz Tuesday. All right, I wrote these out. So I'm making sure less work than I did last year. Okay, if I want to approximate the slope of this function at x equals 3, first off, evaluate when x is 3, you get 28, and then get really close. Again, this is kind of like a limit. H is the distance away from 3, so here h would be like 0.01. We can even get closer, 0.001, and so forth. Basically, we want h to go to 0. So then evaluate, get those two numbers. Always round it. You know, if you got to round, let's do 4 decimal places, maybe even 5 in some cases. So just find the slope. You're always using 3/28 in both your slope calculations. You're looking at the right side and the left side. All right, so the slope is 18. I mean, look at that. What's in the middle there? 18. Both approaching 18. Now, I want you to change b to 3x minus 3 in the square root, not 2x minus 3 at x equals 4, because then when you evaluate for x equals 4, you get 3. All right, so I'm going to use 4.01 to the right of it, so approaching from the right side, and then 3.99 approaching from the left side, and evaluate. So here, you know, round to 4 decimal places. Even if you round to 5, I still think you're going to end with a 0 at the end for both. So here,